Welcome to the info of HUAWEI Nova Y70, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first let's open the settings. I just should change the language of the device. Okay, let's first open the settings application, and then we should select here security section. Then here you'll see more settings. Click here once and tap to set up SIM lock. Now just to remove SIM pin, you should click here once on the switcher and enter your currently pin code. In my case that's from 1 to 4. Then just tap to OK, and that's it. Now we just successfully remove SIM pin from SIM card on our Huawei device. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.